Hey, it's Anissa, and I'm bringing you our featured product, our zero-calorie noodles. Now, you may remember we featured some miracle noodles in the past, and we sold out all the time. Now we found a new brand that is less expensive, and you get more in each package. When you open these, you are going to notice an earthy, fishy smell. Don't let it worry you. Just rinse them off. And you'll notice that the texture of these are so much better. They're lighter and fluffier than other noodles on the market. These noodles from Konjac Foods are sugar-free, fat-free, gluten-free, and soy-free. 0 calories too, and net 0 carbs. And to figure out the net 0 carbs, you just subtract the fiber from the carbs to get 0 carbs. Enjoy these guilt-free. Substitute it for any pasta, rice, or stir fry, and the base of your meal is going to be 0 carbs and 0 calories. And it'll absorb the flavors of your food. They can be so tasty. We have a starter kit featured for you today, and it gets you the chance to try them all, and then you can come back and buy the ones you like the most. But you get 2 packages of linguine, 2 packages of fettuccine, and my favorite, 2 packages of angel hair pasta. And remember, these are 9 ounces each bag. Plus, as a bonus, we have a free downloadable cookbook that will show you how to make all kinds of delicious dishes with these noodles. Grab your kit today and start eating guilt-free.